to save $10,000 fast, even if you are broke. What if I told you that you could save $10,000 even if you're broke right now? Sounds impossible? It's not. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. You don't need a fancy job. You don't need to win the lottery. And no, you don't have to eat plain rice and beans every day. Hello, Billionaire Fam. Welcome to AI Money with Remy. My name is Remy. On this channel, we teach how to use AI tools to create passive income, build digital businesses, and grow your wealth through smart finance strategies. In just 8 minutes, I will give you the exact plan to save $10,000 faster than you ever thought possible, even if you start with $0. And here is the challenge. If you want to save money, smash that like button right now. It's 100% free. All right, let's get started. Step 1, change how you think about money. Most people fail at saving money because they think I will save whatever is left at the end of the month. Wrong way to think. The right way, pay yourself first. Before you spend a dime on anything else, set aside at least 10% of any money you get. If you make $100, put $10 away. If you get $500, save $50. Pro tip: open a separate savings account so you are not tempted to spend it. Action step: right now, grab a jar or open a savings account and call it my 10K fund. Step 2, cut out wasted money without feeling miserable. You don't have to stop having fun. You just have to spend smarter. Here is where most people waste money and don't even realize it: eating out too much. Cooking at home can save you $200 plus a month. Impulse buying: if you see something you want, wait 24 hours before buying. Subscriptions you don't use. Check your bank statement, cancel unused ones. Bonus tip: try a no spend challenge for 30 days. Buy only what you need. You'll be shocked at how much money you save. Action step: take 5 minutes right now to cancel one thing you don't need. That's instant savings. Step 3, make more money even with no experience. Saving money is great, but making more money is 10 times better. Here are 3 easy ways to make extra cash starting today. Flip stuff you don't need. Sell old clothes, gadgets, or furniture on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Freelance a skill. Can you write? Can you design? Can you edit videos? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork will pay you. Simple online gigs. Try user testing, surveys, or reselling digital products for fast cash. Pro tip: even an extra $10 a day is equal to $300 a month, and that is $3,600 a year. Action step: pick one extra way to make money today and start now. Step 4, automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. The easiest way to guarantee you save money: automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to savings every payday. Even if it's $5, $10, or $20 at a time, it adds up fast. Bonus tip: use apps like Acorns or Digits to automatically save spare change from your purchases. Action step: log into your bank app and set up automatic savings now, even if it's just $5 per week. Step 5, use the 30-day money stacking method. Ever heard of the 30-day money stacking challenge? It's genius. Here is how it works. Day 1, save $1. Day 2, save $2. Day 3, save $3. Keep adding $1 every day. By day 30, you will have $465 saved up. Do this for 6 months. That's $2,790 saved effortlessly. Do this for a year. That's $5,580, over halfway to 10K. Bonus challenge: start with $2 per day and double your savings. Action step: grab a jar, label it 10K challenge, and start stacking your savings today. The ultimate 10K savings formula. Even if you start with $0, want to know how to save $10,000 fast? Here is your winning formula. So in summary of everything we've learned today, I'm going to list out the summary of everything we've learned. Step 1, pay yourself first. Save before spending. Step 2, cut out wasted money. Smart spending. Step 3, make more money. Side hustles and selling stuff. Step 4, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Step 5, stack your money daily. That's the 30-day challenge. Follow this plan and you will hit your 10K goal faster than you ever imagined. In conclusion, your 10K future starts now. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people. Imagine looking at your bank account 6 months from now and seeing $10,000 saved up. No stress, no money struggles, just you winning with money. So here is your challenge. Pick one step from this video and start today. And hey, if this helped you, don't forget to like this video. It's free. Comment below, how much do you want to save this year? Subscribe for more easy money saving tips. Bonus, check out this next video where I shared investing for beginners, how to grow your money fast even if you're starting with zero. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.